Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to convert a video into text format. Now let me go and search for video to text, and then I want to open a website, this one, then upload the file. So let me select one of the file. This one, and then scroll down. File is uploading, and here we need to select the language, then click here transcribe. After that, create a free account, select your Google account, and then allow access. Scroll down and click here continue button. Now here you can see video is converted into text format. In this way you can easily transcribe any of the video